Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add branching in Microsoft Forms. Branching is a powerful feature that lets you create dynamic surveys where the questions people see depend on their previous answers, making your forms more personalized and efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once the page loads, log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms dashboard. After you're signed in, look at the left panel and click on New Form to start creating your branching form from scratch. You'll see a field that says Untitled Form at the top. Click on it and enter a form title, something like My Branching Form, to give your survey a clear identity. This helps you organize your forms, especially when you're managing multiple surveys at once. Next, click on Quick Start With and select Choice from the options presented. This will add your first question to the form. In the question field, type your first question. For example, you might ask, "Do you own a car?" This will be the starting point for your branching logic. In option 1, type yes, and in option 2, type no. These responses will determine where participants go next in your form. Now, let's add the second question. Click Add New Question and again select Choice or whichever question type suits your branching needs. In this question field, type another question like "Do you own a house?" just like before. Enter Yes in option 1 and No in option 2. You now have two questions ready to be connected through branching. Here's where the branching magic happens. Navigate back to your first question. Click on the three dotted lines icon typically found near the question and select Add Branching from the menu. This opens up the branching options for that specific question. In option 1, you'll see a field labeled Go To. Use the drop-down menu here to select To. Question if you want respondents who answer yes to proceed to the second question, or you can select End the form if you want to conclude their survey there. Similarly, in option 2, navigate to the Go To field and use the drop-down menu to select To. Question or end the form depending on how you want your form flow to work. This flexibility allows you to create unique paths for different responses. Now, navigate to your second question. Here, you'll set up where respondents go after answering this question. In option 1, use the drop-down menu to select 1. Question if you want them to loop back, or choose End the form to finish their survey. Do the same for option 2, selecting either one. Question or end the form based on your desired survey flow. This creates a complete branching structure where every answer leads somewhere specific. Once you've configured all your branching logic, click the Back button to return to the main form view. Before you share your form with others, it's crucial to test it. Click the Preview button at the top of the page. This opens a preview window where you can test the branching form by answering the questions and seeing if the logic works as intended. Go through different answer combinations to ensure each path leads to the correct next step or conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully created a branching form in Microsoft Forms that adapts to your respondents' answers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.